making sure everything was ready for tomorrow.
I figured.
When the ice comes.
You guys got it handled?
We got chains on that truck over there.
Okay.
What are you copying here now?
I'm just videotaping you.
You and their videos.
We're gonna do it where it ain't cold.
I've been dreaming of this day. You know that, right?
No.
How you doing?
I'm all right.
How's that trooper running?
All right.
What about the next few days? Are you going to be out here?
Oh yeah, I'll be done.
You going to need chains for anything?
I've got.
You going to use them?
Yeah.
We've got to be able to drive out of here. All right, I'm going to see about getting this thing fired up and try to soften some of this snow up here. All right. Well, so it's cold. Tried to pull the weather up on the computer and oh shit. It's so cold that when I let the clutch out, it stalls the motor out. That means the tranny oil is cold. Sunglasses. Oh, where'd my newspaper go? That's my newspaper. Found that at Bob's place in that old farmhouse. My little secret.
Rhyme is stalling, mind is falling down. Everything is hazy and I can see the end. Gravity's calling, I am falling down. Can't tell you where I am hardly there. The sky is falling, but I am underground. I poke my head out, I am dead.
This is going to be a who knows moment right here. Going through this deep stuff, trying to turn around. Gotta get this thing back on the other side. Made it. That could have ruined my day. What's your painter?
Another trooper to the rescue. Here's Blaine.
That was convenient.
What up, man?
Just about the next time.
You all right?
Yep.
Yeah, you.
Oh, pretty good.
You look like
What are
you're
you thinking, John?
digging out all my wife's packages.
Yep.
Takes you 15 minutes every day, I bet, doesn't it?
It takes a little. There wasn't only on the package today. I thought you had one.
Oh, did I?
Yeah, it's Christmas for you too.
Getting it down the hill right here won't be a problem at all.
You don't think so?
Yeah, I don't know. Stick around. You can see. I see you got chains on it though. Yep. Have you had any trouble anywhere?
Had to happen this morning on Bernie.
Did you?
There's lots of people had
That's a steep mountain.
solid ice. Well, they had it full drive low and they slid all the way off it. And they couldn't climb back up it.
Right.
So I just chained her up. And the other day they was lots of roads. I was the only one I've been on.
Yeah.
Had to have them. Where your box is on up through out the strolls. and stuff
Nobody
like
been out that way. Right. No, most people are staying home, I think.
And you know where that mountain was where this thing broke the cam?
Yep.
I was the only one to climb it. And I was supposed to snow with this thing. I didn't know if she was going to have enough power or not. It was beginning to really, I was giving her all she had.
Sounds like you've been a lot of places other people's haven't.
Yep. It's been a good little rig for that.
I'm glad, man.
It's been a good, if I had chains on the front, I could go just about anywhere.
Anywhere, right. Put in two-wheel drive and make it exciting. Do some burnouts.
I'm driving this stuff for another 4 days. I have plenty of excitement.
Yeah, I bet. Look at that wild turkey.
2 of them. Oh, what?
Yeah. Yeah, you got some? Oh no, man, it looks pretty suspicious. You guys hanging out here, you got a lot of rope, you got metal cages.
You don't worry about what we do around here.
I hear the sounds of pigs squealing sometimes at night.
I thought that was you down there. Colin's already warned me about our goats.
Yo.
You.
Yeah. I don't keep any secrets about the fact that I am an animal lover.
Do you want to go and load this?
Yeah, where does it need to go?
Up top?
Steep ass hill. And Bob's diesel.
You're like in a zoo, man. Yeah, you got it now. Your ratchet strap's all wrapped up and down.
We just ride off from under it now.
Down. Like a really sexy version of Paul Bunyan.
They only drown when there's a current.
Is that true?
Yeah, with a river, because it takes you down the stream.
Yeah, we can get too close to. There's a stretch crack right here.
Yeah.
Did you bring your ice skates?
No. Yeah, you gotta do it. You gotta do it. Oh, awesome. Like healing for adults. Until the ice breaks,
That's what I was wondering. Whenever you fall, is the ice gonna break? And
you're gonna throw the video camera out. Do that, that's fun.
oh, I'm okay.
Oh, come on, seriously?
Oh, I'm good.
Hey, let's just walk out there next.
Oh no, I'm good.
Really? Can I do it some more?
Yeah, of course you can.
Then you just snowboard. You just cracked.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, I'm getting off. It was like
It's cracking over here.
it was like coming apart under my feet.
I can hear it.
Hey, did you guys get sheep yet?
Not yet.
Oh, cool. Yeah, it hung on to that other one that you were talking about.
Oh yeah.
If you want to just back up, I'll hook onto that one. Alright, well, I guess we're ready to go. Hey, wait a minute. I saw something on the postal website about sleet, snow, rain, whatever.
Mail must go through.
Mail must go through. What's going on?
It wasn't that
Now,
bad.
today would be that would be negligent.
Yeah.
To be like, oh, I'm gonna go deliver the mail in areas where you don't even get cell signal, and I might.
Yeah,
He's like, he might be crazy, but he's not stupid. Now, water in the transfer case. Where would that have come from?
I don't know where it would have came from. The transfer cases, they're pesky about that. You gotta watch it. Hold on for a minute.
Did you get that new header on there? Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Now, did you do the V8 conversion already? Is that what we're listening to?
Pretty sweet. That's got a 454 into the hood, John. That's in case we get river stuck again.
Oh, okay, all right.
Unbolt it and
Right,
get out. 16s.
right.
Got my roof rack up here. Trying to get it outfitted.
Looking good.
You know, I thought it was pretty cool to ratchet strap it on.
Yeah, I like it.
I suspect everyone shall be doing this
Yeah,
soon.
I love it. It's way better than Eric's thing. Eric's thing is, who's got time for that?
Who wants that? It's
Who-
all factory.
Yeah.
You can get you some bungee cords.
Yep.
What you want to have though is a racing slick for a spare
That's
too.
what you need, especially if you're gonna be driving around in the snow.
Well, yeah. I thought, well, if one of these, there's
right.
my baby.
There's.
Oh,
Living chilly, huh?
yeah. Can't wait to get back home.
Should have taken the truck.
I suggested that. Someone was like, hey, let's ride on the back of this tractor. That'll
I
be
think I
fun.
said I'm gonna jump on the back of the tractor.
They said let's.
I think I said, hey, I'm gonna jump on the back of the tractor and ride up. Why don't you jump in the Ford pickup truck and turn the heater on and take the video camera with you?
I didn't hear that part. I wish I would have.
I must have miscommunicated something. That was surely a miscommunication.
Had to be. The goat's got a ring somewhere over there, but I haven't seen it.
Did you say goats? Like a hula hoop.
Man, we're ready. Let's buy some cows. Let's buy us a ranch, a trooper ranch.
We are. That gold thing over there.
Oh, that's an Impala.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. That's a 61. It's for sale. You can buy it right now.
How much is it?
What else you want?
I don't know, but eyeballing that truck over there, that flatbed over under the tree.
That's a 61 Chevy Big King.
Are you giving up on all your dreams, Johnny?
Come on,
I thought you had
$700.
dreams for all these
You
things.
can have it. $700. Yeah, I'm hanging up the Impala hat, man.
Gotta pin your hay back up. You don't want your hay to get out. You gotta keep that stuff behind electric fence.
You get this hay out, and I'm telling you.
Oh man, it gets into all the neighbor stuff.
The neighbors just call and complain. It's crazy. Especially those Sharn horse. They're like, hey, your hay's down here.
It's getting in my grass.
You know my grass. Cows find out this hay's not electrocuted. They're gonna be like, hey.
They're gonna be like, hey.
Say hi. Hi. Yeah, it's sunny. Snowy, sunny day. Like this on the ice. Well, Lily, come look at this. This is awesome. It's like flying snow. Hey guys, remember there's sharks in there. What? There's sharks in there. There's no sharks in this lake, dude.
Oh!
Ow.
Are you okay?
That was awesome. Don't step on that poo. It's probably dirt or poo. Hey, on your mark, get set, go. Hey, now this better get firewood. Walking over here.
Gonna go get some firewood, run a couple errands, and just thought I would do a little goofing around in the snow while I was at it. You see that? Go this way and see if I get some more firewood. How's it going, Mike?
I'm all right. You?
Good. Hauling some logs.
I see that.
See, you made it.
Getting the onions and garlic prepped, Iris. Got our refried beans about ready to go. Alright. Alright, Violet, you getting the eggs made? Yep. Cooking our eggs. Keeping our beans warm. Getting ready to warm the tortillas. Alright. Looking good. Trying to drive it like a race car? It's that whole like drive it like you stole it mentality. Generation Y thing. It's just like an ice skating rink out here. You know how ice works.
Yes. I can feel it. It's a bit different.
Just stay out of the ditches and don't hit poles and trees. Don't slam on your brakes, ever. Think you can drive up that hill, up to the pond from Bob's? You think you can?
Hi, we're going to Nana
So now what do you think?
It's easier than I remember.
15 seconds ago you were terrified, and now you're like it's a no-brainer, right?